Erie County issued its own set of COVID-19 mandates for schools to follow when they welcome back students in just a couple of weeks now. The rules were outlined at a news conference held earlier today, and Channel 2's Dave McKinley was there.
That news conference included the county executive, the health commissioner, and several school administrators, all of whom sort of chastised the state for not setting down guidance when the state decided a couple of weeks ago that the decisions should be left to local school districts. And though guidance is what the county is calling it, the health commissioner used the term mandate more often when describing the 12 pages of rules, which include universal masking.
So we are going to mandate face masks for all indoor activities in schools for children who are 2 years of age and up, regardless of vaccination status.
The county is even dictating that mask breaks occur only once an hour for 5 minutes, and that during those, students be confined to their desks.
So we really want to make sure everybody is protected as much as possible indoors while they're on the school grounds and buses.
While the effectiveness of such measures is still subject to debate, the county executive inferred that if parents don't like it, too bad.
And if they so choose, they can homeschool their children. They have that option.
He also said if there are lawsuits, as one might expect,
you'll waste your money if you do that.
Earlier in the pandemic, the county was aggressive in going after bars and restaurants and not following the rules. But as to what might occur if a school isn't stringent enough in following these mandates, well, he really wouldn't say.
I'm not going to go into detail of what will happen thereafter if there is a recalcitrant district.
But the president of the Erie County Association of School Boards did say that the county was much more receptive in terms of including their thoughts this year than it was last year.
And we're grateful for the fact that this time around we had direct contact. Mark and I talked on the phone pretty often. It represents the all-in thinking around getting our kids in school for 180 days this year. Every kid. Nothing is more important than that.
There's an entire section of rules for interscholastic sports, and within them, differences for those who are vaccinated and those who are not. We'll dive into that next hour. Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.